In a recent development, the Iraqi dinar community has been abuzz with the comments made by Intel guru Marx regarding the state of the parallel market and the official market. According to Marx, the parallel market is now even with the official market, signaling that Iraq is ready to move to a 1-to-1 ratio. Marx's remarks come in response to a comment made by Frank 26, a prominent figure in the Iraqi dinar community. Frank 26 stated that the parallel market is now even with the official market, indicating that Iraq is poised to take the next step in its monetary reform process. Addressing this development, Marx expressed his agreement with Frank 26's assessment. "That makes sense to me," Marx said. "We have been looking for parity in the parallel market and official market, and a number of Iraqi sources would agree with that." Marx further explained that this parity in the parallel and official markets is the goal that Iraq has been working towards before they move to their next step, which he believes should be a substantial value change. That is according to them in the white papers and monetary reform papers, Marx stated, suggesting that the Iraqi government has been transparent about their plans for the dinar's value. This news is significant for those following the Iraqi dinar investment and the ongoing monetary reform efforts in the country. The parallel market and official market parity is a crucial milestone that Iraq has been working towards, and it indicates that the country is nearing a major shift in the dinar's value. Marx's comments provide valuable insights into the current state of the Iraqi dinar market and the expectations of the Iraqi government regarding the next steps in the monetary reform process. It's important to note that the Iraqi dinar investment is a complex and dynamic market, and investors should always conduct thorough research and consult with financial advisors before making any investment decisions. As the Iraqi government continues to navigate the challenges of its economic recovery and the implementation of its monetary reform plans, the Iraqi dinar community will continue to closely monitor the developments and seek guidance from trusted sources like Marx. In conclusion, the comments made by Marx regarding the parity in the parallel and official markets and the anticipated substantial value change in the Iraqi dinar have generated significant interest and discussion within the Iraqi dinar investment community. This news serves as an important update on the ongoing efforts to stabilize the Iraqi economy and the dinar's value.